When I was young, morning was the beginning page of a book yet to be imagined. At my age, morning is a chapter halfway through. I just simply follow the plot as written. I used to daydream a lot when I was a kid. The world held so much wonder, and I spent most of my time chasing dreams and chasing lightning bugs. Lightning bugs fascinated me more than anything. That they could glow meant that almost anything was possible. But now I see the world for what it is, and I see myself for who I really am. The dreams come far less often, and when they do, they're easily forgotten. My summers of amazement spent in the yard have been replaced by an office chair and by a ringing phone. My parents and teachers told me that my dreams were good, but that I needed to be realistic. They said in order to make it in life, I needed a backup plan. So I went to work on my backup plan. And slowly, my dreams receded into a corner. And in time, my dreams drifted away like a leaf on a stream. My potential disappeared, as did my self-esteem. I began to really believe that other people, successful people, were special, but that I was not. I went to college, studied hard. I started an unimaginative career where my future was determined by levels of managers and even more levels of bosses. It pays my bills, but it's become a pair of golden handcuffs. Fear of the unknown has formed the tumblers in the lock. Paralyzing self-doubt has forged the steel that digs deeper into my wrists with each passing year. Now I worry about retirement, and I feel the cuffs dig a little deeper. But every now and then, on summer nights, I can hear the call of my younger self. He beckons me to join him in the yard to catch lightning bugs. I look, but I don't see them anymore.